Buy. To acquire something by paying for it. She wants to buy a new laptop. Bank. A financial institution that manages money. He deposited the money in the bank. Work. To engage in a job or activity for payment. She has to work late tonight. Shop. A place where goods are sold. They opened a new shop in the mall. Boss. A person in charge of a worker or organization. Her boss gave her a promotion. Cost. The amount of money required to buy something. The cost of living is rising. Sell. To give something in exchange for money. He wants to sell his car. Money. A medium of exchange in the form of coins and bills. She saved enough money for a vacation. Price. The amount of money expected for a product or service. The price of gas is increasing. Letter. A written, typed, or printed communication. She received a letter from her client. Result. The outcome of an action or process. The result of the meeting was positive. Client. A person or organization using the services of a professional. The lawyer met with her client. Company. A commercial business. She works for a large company. Product. An item that is manufactured or refined for sale. The new product is very popular. Control. To have power over a process or situation. He needs to control the budget carefully. Partner. A person who shares in a business or venture. She is my business partner. Project. A planned undertaking or assignment. They are working on a new project. Economy. The wealth and resources of a country or region. The economy is growing steadily. Business. The practice of making one's living by engaging in commerce. He started his own business. Organization. A group of people with a particular purpose. She joined a non-profit organization.